Hi there, Iman here with a new tip and trick about AutoCAD. Today I would like to talk about Fillet. I know Fillet as a command that can connect two lines using a curve. If we created line, this line is 1300 and the other one is about 1200. And now we need to connect both of them using a curve. So Fillet, this is the radius, which I need to change somehow. So I will come to radius and let me make it to 50 and enter. Selected the first object and selected the second object, and here we go. If you told me no, I would like to erase this curve and I want you to connect the two lines in a point, not a curve. So I can tell you fine, I can use Fillet, but we have to change the radius from 250 to be 0. This is true, but we have a nice shortcut that will make it 0 without changing the radius. Hold Shift, select the first and select the second, and here we go. So if you want to use Fillet with radius, just select radius from the options and put the number. And if you want to connect the two lines in a point, just hold Shift. Whatever your radius, your connection will not be a curve. Because of Shift, it will be a point. That's it for today, and see you in other tips and tricks about AutoCAD.